What is up, my fellow Nomad friends? What's happening? What's going on? How you doing? You doing okay? Cause I'm doing okay. Sort of. Maybe, I don't know. Come back tomorrow. Help me.
Stay alive! I'm not going to lose you!
No. What's up, guys? Yeah, so it snowed. You can probably see. And yeah, life is interesting, I'll tell you that. So anyways, yeah, I went to work. It snowed while I was at work, and I was parked in a underground parking garage. Not an underground parking garage. Sorry, I was parked at the basement of a parking garage. And it snowed, and everything is hunky-dory as far as all that goes. And then I made my way home, and then they called me back, and I went back in, and then I got off. And here I am, just relaxing, chilling. So, you know, I got my jacket here. So, camel crowned ski hoodie thing or whatever. Has a hood in the back, and man, this thing is warm, designed for snow and wind and rain. So I finally got to use this bad boy, which I originally bought when I went to the Kentucky meetup back in, what was that, October of 2025. But anyways, and a lot of fun. So yeah, still looking at the possibility of a new vehicle, maybe a van, maybe a trailer, maybe a new SUV. I just don't know yet. I'm really searching my options. To let you guys know, with this storm happening, I am staying at a home base. And Lacey is not in this vehicle, and I'm not sleeping in this vehicle because I don't have a heater. I can handle, you know, maybe 25, 30 degrees, you know, especially when there's no snow, but the chill factor right now is like -8, or -4, I should say. It was -8 yesterday. Today it's right now I think it's -4. It's like 3 or 4 degrees. But anyways, we're all good. Everything's fine. I've designed a new logo because I just wasn't really feeling the old one. It just seemed a little too complicated. So you probably saw that in the intro to this. So check it out, and we'll work on t-shirts and all that other stuff later. And then, yeah, that's really all that's going on. Not too much, guys. Like I said, just working, committing to goals. You know, I've gone almost a month now with no fast food, which is great. I'm getting I feel a lot better. My energy is restoring. I'm currently in the process of drinking water a lot more and kicking soda. But that's going to be a long time thing, and all of that. So, but now, like I said, I'm here. You know, I'm still rocking the 2008 Nissan Xterra, as you can sort of kind of see. The back area is a complete wreck. Because, well, it's a complete wreck. That's why. No, I just had to get to like the bottom underneath area, my basement, so to speak, in the Xterra to grab my emergency charging equipment and all of that. So anyways, that's what's going on. But yeah, we're sitting here just chilling, enjoying the coldness while I talk to you. And yeah, that's really all I got going on. I don't have too much more for you guys. You know, being a nomad is not always about you know, seeing the beautiful scenery and living the dream and doing all this other stuff, you know, that you see on Instagram or whatever. It's just, this is real life. I have to work. I got to make the money in order to travel. And you know, I have a goal in mind. I'm working towards it. Once I get it, I'm gone. You know, and the people that I'm spending time with while I'm in the location that I'm currently in, I don't know why I'm playing with the light. I'm weird. But anyways, you know, I spend time with them, and I got some things planned coming up that I'm going to be doing with them, and I'm sure I'll share some of that with you guys. Not all of it, but some of it. But yeah, you know, like I said, just being here, living life, working, and living the dream. So anyways, Please remember to hit that like, subscribe, comment button, all that good, comment, share this out, do all that. We're almost to 3,000 subscribers, which is insane, but it's because of my beautiful kitten, Lacey, who is in just a couple months, 2 or 3 months, she's going to be a cat, an adult cat. It's not like she's going to, turn from a kitten, beautiful kitten, into a dragon. I mean, that would be cool, but I think that'd be a little problemsome. Anyways, I'm getting the hiccups now, and I don't know why. Anyways, thank all you guys for being here. Wherever you're at, be safe. Stay warm, especially when you're in this kind of weather. I think there's like a blizzard kind of thing going through the States right now. And it's hitting all of us, but where I'm at, we didn't get it super bad, but we got bad enough that a lot of people called out. And things are closed. And things are happening around the city. So, anyways, you guys be good. Everything is great here. And I'll catch you guys at the next video. Until next time.